Hi, are you in Nigeria or Africa and you have a dream of becoming an aviator, or you want to pursue a career in the aviation industry and don't know how to start or how to go about it? My name is Kehinde Babalola and I will be your host on this amazing journey of exploring the aviation world, especially right here in Nigeria. Right from the aircraft mechanics up to the big boys that fly the aircraft and to every other career path in between, this YouTube channel is dedicated to exposing you to the several fields in which you could build a successful career path in the aviation industry. And guess what? All the answers you need to get going and to become a success in any career path you choose in the aviation industry are readily available for you here in Nigeria. So join me on this race as I will be bringing to you interesting interviews from professionals all around the field of the aviation industry as they share their interests and their opinions on how you can make a successful career path in the aviation industry. So hey, make sure you don't miss out on any information that will be shared on this YouTube channel by 1. Subscribing, 2. Liking, and 3. Turning on the notification so you can be the first to know whenever the next big thing lands. For starters, on the 1st of April 2021, we will be exploring aircraft maintenance engineering as a field in the aviation industry. So, save the date and see you then. Remember, if you dream it, you can become it. Stay safe.
Good morning, world. My name is John Kwame. I love aviation.
Hi, my name is Odinya Jukepebo. I'm student of aviation. I love aviation.
Hi, my name is Mukudo Joseph and I am an aviation student. I love aviation.
Hi, my name is Jide. I'm an avionics student and I love aviation.
Hello, my name is Babajide Gbaramosi and I am training to be an aeronautic engineer. I love aviation.
Hey, make sure you don't miss out on any of the information being shared on this channel by liking, subscribing, and turning on the notification whenever, so you'll be the first whenever. Hey, make sure you don't miss out on any information. Yeah. Told you so far. Johnny go.